Hi, art explorers. The students in my kindergarten and first grade classes have been learning about the Chinese tradition of keeping crickets as pets. Crickets were considered lucky, so I was showing my students how to draw a cricket. I started with a sideways letter L and then a diagonal line connected on the end. Completed that four-sided shape by connecting the two lines on top. To make the end of the cricket, I made a triangle shape, another diagonal line with a line connecting to make a diagonal line. Now another diagonal line, this is going to make the wing. We're going to make the front legs of our cricket by making two little lines and two more diagonal lines. The cricket legs in the middle are going to start with two triangle shapes with the little legs coming out of the bottom. This almost looks like a little letter L. Put two more little diagonal lines on to look like the feet. Now for that big back jumping leg, I'm going to make an upside down letter V, and it's going to go past the bottom of that original shape we made. And then another little diagonal line for a foot. Now I'm drawing vertical lines on the back of our cricket. And now this is my favorite part, the head. I'm going to make an oval. Now crickets don't normally have happy faces, but this isn't a terribly realistic cricket, and I want my cricket to look like he's having fun. So I'm going to give him a smile, eyes, and two antennas. When I've been talking with my students in class, at this point we try to figure out where our cricket is. Is our cricket in our houses? Is it in our school? Is it going to Dunkin' Donuts or Mrs. Blair's favorite place, Starbucks? There are so many different places or settings where our cricket could be. Today I decided that I thought my cricket was just hanging out outside. But just because my cricket is outside, your cricket could be anywhere, maybe even flying in space. So I'm going to finish this up with some more details and some color, and I hope you have fun drawing your own lucky cricket.